I just did something that felt illegal. Not because it was wrong, but because it was too powerful. I built 10 cinematic brand ads, the kind you'd see during the Super Bowl, using only text. No cameras, no actors, no million-dollar budgets. Just me, a keyboard, and Sora 2. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I used structured JSON prompts to generate 100K level commercials for global brands like Nivea, Netflix, Dior, Apple, Nike, and more. Every camera move, every lighting cue, every emotional beat, all defined in code. By the end, you'll see how AI is rewriting the rules of advertising. And if you want me to drop a step-by-step tutorial on how to access Sora 2, comment "Show me" below. If I get 20 comments, I'll make it. Also, I'm giving away free Sora invite codes in my Telegram channel. First come, first serve. Now, let's break down how this works. What is JSON prompting? It's not just typing "make a cool ad." It's writing the full DNA of a film. You define the camera, lens type, movement, frame rate. You set the lighting, mood, color grade, reflections. You even direct the character's emotion, feed that into Sora 2, and suddenly AI doesn't just generate video, it understands cinema. Let's go through each ad and I'll show you how the JSON shaped the result. Ad 1, Nivea, the blue touch. Goal: make skincare feel magical. So I built a JSON scene with soft blue mist, macro water droplets, and a glowing cream jar in a minimalist studio. Camera: 50mm prime, 24 FPS, slow dolly. Lighting: diffuse daylight with a sky blue key. Character: a woman with glowing skin, applying cream in a white silk robe. Voiceover: calm, soothing. Your skin deserves more than moisture. It deserves care. Sora didn't just show a product, it made you feel hydration. This wasn't AI guessing, it was AI directed.
Your skin deserves more than moisture. It deserves care. Nivea, the touch that protects.
Ad 2, Netflix, stories live here. Goal: turn storytelling into a visual journey. I wrote a JSON prompt where a red thread pulls the viewer through genres: fantasy forest, neon city, romance, horror. Camera: 35mm anamorphic, dynamic pans. Lighting: crimson red accents, cinematic contrast. Audio: orchestral build ending with the Netflix chime. The final shot: the red thread forms the Netflix logo in black space. This wasn't a clip, it was a brand universe.
Netflix, stories live here. Today.
Ad 3, Dior, whisper in the rain. Goal: romance, elegance, Paris. Scene: rainy dusk on a cobblestone street, Eiffel Tower in the mist. Character: a French woman in a cream trench coat spraying perfume. Key shot: raindrops freeze midair when she sprays, glowing in golden light. Voiceover: whispery, poetic, in every drop, a whisper, in every moment, Dior. Sora delivered a fashion film, not just a generated video.
In every drop, a whisper. In every moment, Dior.
Ad 4, Apple, the sound of tomorrow. Goal: minimalism meets futurism. No characters, just pure product. JSON: infinite white studio, sound waves ripple as earbuds form from a water droplet. Camera: orbital macro, 30 FPS. Lighting: soft white spotlight, mirror floor. Audio: ambient synth pulse. Voiceover: hear the future. The final shot: Apple logo emerges from light ripples. This looked like an actual Apple launch ad, and it cost $0 to produce.
Hear the future. Apple, the sound of tomorrow.
Ad 5, Nike, run beyond. Goal: energy, power, transformation. Character: a female runner in glowing sportswear sprinting through a digital city. JSON detail: 60 FPS, electric orange lighting, glitch transitions. As she runs, the city dissolves into open nature, sunrise behind her. Voiceover, run beyond limits, beyond the noise. Nike, just do it. Sora rendered sweat, motion blur, particle trails, all in sync. This wasn't just motion, it was emotion.
Run beyond limits. Beyond the noise. Nike, just do it.
Ad 6, Omega, deep time. Goal, luxury underwater, timelessness. Scene, ancient ruins beneath the ocean. A diver in a black suit reaches for a watch. Camera, slow tracking 35mm wide. Lighting, deep blue with golden reflections on the Omega face. Audio, whale calls, ticking echo. Voiceover, time doesn't stop, it only dives deeper. Final shot, Omega logo forms from gold dust in water. This felt like a James Bond opening, but AI made.
Time doesn't stop. It only dives deeper. Omega. Precision beyond the surface.
Ad 7, Coca-Cola, the spark of joy. Goal, nostalgia, warmth, connection. Scene, rooftop party at golden hour. Character, a Latina woman laughing, opening a cold Coke bottle. JSON detail, 60 FPS, handheld movement, sunlight flaring through glass. Macro shot, fizz explodes in slow motion, droplets sparkle. Voiceover, one sip can change everything. Share the sparkle. The color bursts when she clinks bottles, gray turns to vibrant red. This wasn't just an ad, it was a mood.
One sip can change everything. Share the sparkle. Share a Coca-Cola.
Ad 8, Louis Vuitton, the journey within. Goal, elegance, introspection, travel. Scene, a luxury train moving through desert dunes. Character, an Asian woman in a beige trench writing in a notebook. Shot, close-up of LV bag, sunlight glides over embossed leather. Voiceover, every destination begins within. Final shot, monogram forms from glowing golden sand. Sora didn't just render a bag, it rendered meaning.
Every destination begins within. Louis Vuitton, the art of timeless travel.
Ad 9, Samsung, beyond the frame. Goal, tech meets imagination. Scene, rainy city at night, digital holograms everywhere. Character, a black photographer framing the city with his Samsung phone. JSON, 24mm ultra-wide, 60 FPS, neon blue lighting. When he swipes, the image expands into a 3D hologram. Voiceover, see what others can't. Capture beyond the frame. This looked like a sci-fi movie, but it's AI predicting the future of mobile tech.
See what others can't. Capture beyond the frame. Samsung Galaxy, redefine your vision.
Ad 10, BMW, the pulse of motion. Goal, power, precision, rhythm. Scene, nighttime tunnel with synchronized LED strips. Car, BMW M Series, accelerating through neon reflections. Camera, 50mm anamorphic, whip pans, 60 FPS. Audio, engine revs synced to heartbeat. Voiceover, power has a rhythm. Feel the pulse. The final shot, BMW logo emerges from motion blur, glowing blue. This wasn't a car ad, it was a symphony.
Power has a rhythm. Feel the pulse. BMW, the ultimate driving machine.
So there you have it, 10 global brand ads, all generated from structured JSON prompts. No crew, no budget, just creative direction turned into code. This is the future of advertising. AI doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. And if you want me to make a full tutorial on how to access Sora 2 and use these JSON templates, comment "Show me how" below. 20 comments, I'll make the guide. And I'm sharing free Sora invite codes in my Telegram channel. First come, first serve. If you made it this far, you didn't just watch a video, you witnessed the birth of a new creative era. I'm Emmanuel, and this is what happens when storytelling meets structure.